As a housing administrator, you've got your hands full. Full of students, full of requests, repairs, complaints. Sometimes it seems like you're juggling more than your hands can handle. On top of all that, you're faced with the daunting task of filling out room condition forms, filling them out in triplicate, keeping them organized, not to mention your out-of-pocket costs for printing and storing all those forms. Well, thankfully, there's Rick, Lifetopia's mobile room condition reporting solution. Rick is an application you can download on your mobile device and be used to walk room to room and do damage assessments. Rick saves you that money you're wasting on triplicate room forms and saves you the time you're wasting when you need to make changes or locate information about a specific room or student on those forms. Rick is advanced, yet easy to use, so filling out, revising, and keeping track of the condition of all your rooms is easier than ever, leaving your hands free to take care of more important things. Request a demo today and waste a lot less time on paperwork tomorrow.